Reb Meir Yechiel Ostrovtze, the Ostrovtze Rebbe, once met Reb Chaim Oizer of Vilna, and Reb Chaim Oizer asked him to say a Chiddush, say something in Torah. The Ostrovtze Rebbe said a beautiful Chiddush, and Reb Chaim Oizer was so impressed. He told him, Smamish, Agavra Rabba, you're a great man. And the Ostrovtze said, this is not enough to be called a great man. So Reb Chaim Oizer asked, what constitutes a great man? Who can be called a great man? And the Ostrovtze answered, one who minimizes suffering of Klal Yisrael, of Jews. And I have a proof, says the Ostrovtze Rebbe. What is the proof? Maseches Makos Daf Chav Beis Amud Beis. Rava teaches us. Rava says, Kama tipshei sha'arinche. How foolish are people, says Rava. Why? The kaimei mikaimei sefer Torah. Velo kaimei mikaimei gavre Rava, says Rava. I don't understand people. When they open up the Aron Kodesh in Shul, they take out the Sefer Torah. Everybody jumps, everybody stands. But when great men, when rabbis come into the Shul, not everybody stands. It says Rava, I don't understand it. You know why? Because in the Sefer Torah, in Parshas Kiseitz, it says, Arba'im yakenu lo yosif. When it comes to lashes, the Torah says 40 lashes. But Chachamim learn that what the Torah really means is 39 lashes and not 40. So they took off one lash. And instead of 40 that the Torah says, they say, no, actually 39. So as if, says Rava, who is stronger. It's as if Chachamim have more power than Sefer Torah. So why is it that people get up for Sefer Torah, but they don't rise for the Chachamim? Said the Ostrovtze. What is the reason Rava brought a proof from there? There is an earlier proof that Rava could have used. Earlier in the Torah, before Parashas Kiseitz. When the Torah says you should count 50 days after Pesach, Sfiras HaOmer, the Torah says to count 50 days, but Chachamim learned that it really means 49 days. So they also knocked down one in that count. Why didn't Rava use that as an example to show the power of Chachamim? That is why they are called Gavra Rabba, great people, said the Ostrovtze. To take off one day off a count of 50 and to count only 49 is very nice. But you only are called a Gavra Rabba, an Adam Gadol, a great man, when you minimize the suffering of a Jew. To take down from 40 lashes to 39, now that makes you a Gavra Rabba. That makes you a great man.